guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am BC. I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving questions 11 to 15 of the Loyola JC College Entrance Examination, Quantitative Reasoning, Material 5. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, do so right now to get access to more videos like this. Okay, so let's move on. So we have a set of samples to study. Okay, so we are asked to study the samples below carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the questions that follow. Okay, so in quantitative reasoning, you are given a set of samples to study and then use it to answer the questions. Okay, so there are three samples here. In each samples, there are three numbers, and there is a relationship between these three numbers. So we have 6, 13, and 714. So there is a relationship between these three numbers. So you have to find it out. Okay? So the relationship between these three numbers is that to get the bottom number, all you have to do is to add 1 to each of the top numbers and combine the answer. So add 1 to 6, add 1 to 13, and then combine the answers to get the bottom number. Okay, so the first top number is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then the second top number is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So now we have 7 and 14 as the answers. So when we combine 7 and 14 together, we have 714. Okay, so let's do that for the second sample as well. The first top number is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then the second top number is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Then combine 6 and 17 together, you would have 617, which is the bottom number. Now, we have to find out if it works with the third sample as well. Okay, so the third sample, the first top number is 3, and the second top number is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, 4 and 4 combined together will give 44. Okay, and the bottom number is 44. So this is very easy. To get the bottom number, simply add 1 to each of the top numbers and combine the answer. That's all. Okay, so now we can start. Question 11, we're given just one of the top number and the bottom number. The second top number is missing. So how do we do this? Remember, from the samples, we add 1 to each of the top numbers and combine the answers to get the bottom number. Okay, so this is missing. So missing number plus 1 should give us 9. Then 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, because 9 and 15 are the bottom number, which is 915. So 1 plus 1 would give 9. Of course, it is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this means that the missing number is 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 14 plus 1 is 15. 9 and 15 combined together will give 915. So you can see that the answer is correct. Okay, so the correct option here is option A, 8. Check. Question 12. So this is also very easy. We are given one of the top numbers as 20. The second top number is missing, and we are given the bottom number. Okay, so remember that from the samples, all we have to do is to add 1 to each of the top numbers and combine the answers to get the bottom number. I hope you still remember that. Okay, so this first top number is missing. Missing number plus 1 equals 20. Then 20 plus 1, 20 is the second top number. So 20 plus 1 is 21, because 20 and 21 combined together would give 2021, which is 2021. Wow, that's actually the year we are in now, 2021. Okay, so now what number plus 1 would give 20? Of course, it is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. So 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So 20 and 21 combined together will give 2021. Okay, so the missing number here is 19. And then the correct option is option D. Check. Question 13. So one of the top numbers is missing, and then the second top number is given as 16, and the bottom number is given as 1017. So how do we do this? Remember, from the samples, add 1 to each of the top numbers and combine the answers to get the bottom number. Okay, so missing number plus 1 is going to give us 10. Then 16 plus 1 will give 17. So when we combine 10 and 17 together, we have the bottom number. So what number plus 1 would give us 10? Of course, it is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So this means that the missing number here is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 16 plus 1 is 17. 10 and 17 combined together will give 1017. Wow, we got this right again. So the missing number is 9. And the correct option here is option A. Check. Question 14. We are giving just one of the top numbers. The second top number is missing. And then we're also giving the bottom number. So this is still the same thing. Add 1 to each of the top numbers and combine the answers to get the bottom number. So this means that the missing number plus 1 is 6. Then 19 plus 1 is 20. Because when you combine 6 and 20 together, you have 620. So what number plus 1 would give 6? Of course, it is 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the missing number is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 19 plus 1 is 20. So 6 and 20 combined together is 620. So this means we got it right again. Well done. Okay, so the correct option here is option A, 5. Okay, so last question in this video, question 15. We are given the two top numbers as 10 and 13, and then the bottom number is missing. So this is very easy. So I would like you to pause this video, try it yourself, see if you will get the correct answer, and then check back. Okay, so let's do this. So from the samples, all we have to do is to add 1 to each of the top numbers and combine the answers to get the bottom number. So the two top numbers here are 10 and 13. So 10 plus 1 is 11, 13 plus 1 is 14. Okay, so now let's combine the answers. 11 and 14 combined together will give 1114. Did you get it? Oh, well done. Okay, so the answer is 1114. So the correct option is option A. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, make sure that you subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Till I come your way next time. Bye.